Gina.
Yes?
Where is your car?
Oh, I didn't come in it.
I guess the almighty queen barred you from using one of the royal cars.
Tonya, I can always take a cab. I do not have a problem with that. You hear me?
Really?
Yes, really.
Gina, when Prince Uzo had issues, you sold the only car that your father gave to you just to help him sort his problems out. And here you are, jumping from one taxi to the other, just because the almighty queen barred you from using anything that belongs to the royal house.
Tonya, you know I really don't like discussing these things. But it's okay, babe. I'll see you around. I have to go. Bye, babes.
What sort of foolish love is this? What is wrong with this girl?
She just said the truth. The bitter truth. But it's too late now. I cannot back off now. I need to fight my way into Uzo's heart. Lord, this is too much for me. This is too much for one soul. I need you, Lord. I need your help. Please help me. Please. Help me. I need you. I need you.
Excuse me. Do you mind if I join you?
I am not single.
I didn't inquire about your marital status. Look, this is not good for your health. No matter what you're going through, there is still another way of dealing with it without ruining your liver with alcohol. Alcohol does not heal. It damages.
Thank you.
Stop! Stop!
Stop it. What is it? Give me my drink. Give me back my drink, please. This is none of your business. I mean, you cannot come to a bar and become a counselor to a total stranger. So let me have my drink, please.
It might interest you to know that this is my family bar. And
who cares if this is your family bar? Stop it. Just stop it right there. Do I look like your younger sister to you? So you can walk in here and talk to me anyhow? Please let me have my drink.
I am deeply sorry if I've offended your sensibilities. I'm sorry.
You better be sorry.
I am. Have a drink. Easy.
I said leave me the hell alone! Go!
It's okay. I will go.
Where are you coming from by this time?
I went to see a friend.
Really? You went to see a friend and you forgot that you would prepare something for me to eat?
No? I'm sorry, my queen. I'm very sorry. I thought that the maids are around.
Are you mad? That you're still in this palace is because of my benevolence. You don't tell me who to send on an errand or not.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Go and get me something to eat. Hey. What's this? You are drunk. Oh. You went to see your friends. You got drunk. I came back whenever you like.
My queen. I'm sorry, my queen.
Listen. If this repeats itself, you will see yourself out of this palace.
Hey, no. To never repeat itself. I'm sorry, my queen. I'm very sorry.
Fool.
Why not go back to your people? You see, I heard that the prince went on honeymoon with his new wife.
Who told you that?
My cousin works in a hotel in Port Harcourt. She told me.
How did your cousin know that is the prince she saw?
Why do you believe so much in the prince that you think he cannot hurt you?
You know what? Just go. Go. Oh.
See, I have something else to tell you.
Go, I said just go. Go first.
What kind of blind love is this? No. This is not love but stupidity. As beautiful as she is crying and dying for a man who doesn't even love her.
I will set the palace on fire. And I will set myself ablaze too. Don't even try to say anything because it won't mean anything. My mind is made up and it is final. Ooh.
You are doing this again.
You know, I want to burn down that palace. Do you know where I can get a grenade?
You must stop doing this.
I hate people who don't mind their business.
I don't even have any business to mind.
Whatever, who cares?
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Stop! If you let anger do this to you, you will live with its effects all your life. What is the problem?
I don't think I can ever forgive myself. Can I ever forgive myself?
Yes, you can.
No, I don't think so. I don't. I hate myself. I hate my life. I hate everything about me. I just want to disappear. I mean, maybe go somewhere, maybe Mercury, Mars, Venus, Pluto, just not Earth. Do you understand?
Look at me. Look at me. You see, it is one thing to make a mistake, and it is another to accept the mistake and make amends. This is not the end of a road for you. Okay? Come, let's go. Come, let's go. Come, just please. Come, let's
Welcome. What's up?
Hello. I want to take her home.
Guinea? Are you sure you're doing the right thing? You're taking her home. Huh.
Follow. Follow, I'm doing the right thing, okay? Come on.
I'm scared. I'm really scared.
Calm down, okay? Just calm down. Come, let's go. Stand up. No, he's my friend. He's harmless, don't worry. Stand up. Get up now, get up. Come on. Easy. Oh, good. Okay, come on, hold on. Give me your bag, Give me everything. Oh, let's go. Paul, please help me. Just shoot that. It is one, yeah. Easy. See what I'm talking about? Sorry.
Yes, honey. The honeymoon was great. We had fun. We came back today. Oh, yeah? Oh, you're so bad. Of course, we did all those things and even more. Experiment. We did everything. Oh, yeah? Okay, I have to go now. We'll talk when we see face to face. I'll give you more gist. All right, sweetie. Take care of yourself. Bye.
So all you do now is to sleep with different men, get drunk, and do all sorts of things, huh?
Well, I found her in the bar.
Oh, shut up, I'm not talking to you. Where are you coming from? You better tell me the truth, because I will see your lies. Where are you coming from, my man? I'm talking to you, you're walking out on me.
Young man, don't you ever slap me again. You hear me?
And I'm going to slap you again if you talk back at me.
Hey. How dare you talk back at my son? Are you out of your mind?
So, did you slap her? Oh, did you just slap her?
Did anybody hear?
Does he? They say he died earlier this year. Uzo, why have you refused to pay her back the money she lent you? I was going to pay her that by tomorrow when my goods arrive. I give you until tomorrow to pay her every dime you owe her. Is that understood? Scott! Scott!
Gino, come back here.
What are you doing? Hey! Come here, come here. Come here.
Can somebody tell me what is going on here?
So you wanted me dead? As if that was not enough. You ran away with my son.
Huh? I didn't run away with him. I brought him here where he will be safe.
What did you say? With your what? Your son?
Can somebody tell me what exactly is going on?
What is going on here is that this boy is my son.
Excuse me?
Mary, can you start explaining what's going on here?
Let's go, Scott.
Start talking!
In that case, I suggest she comes with us. You can't leave her here.
Let's go now. Let's go.
Can you just start talking?
I thought he's mine.
Come. Can you explain to me in one sentence what just happened?
After all this fight, after all my sacrifice, after all my stubbornness to my papa,
I want you out of this palace right now.
I have done what I should not do just because of our love.
Why?
Listen, I'm in a very big mess. Yes, please, just help me. Help me. I need your help. I need you to save me from this mess, please. What? You can't help me? Listen, I'll do whatever you want me to do. Just help me clean up this mess. Please, I beg you. You need to help.
You see what your bad luck has cost me? I want you to leave this house this minute, and I don't want to repeat myself again.
Well, you can't throw me out of this house just like that. Do you know if I'm carrying your child? Don't even shout at me,
So you
please.
have the gut to talk back at me?
Oh yes, I have
right?
the gut. Yes.
Okay.
Or worse, you think I'll open those useless big eyes of yours for me? Nah. Rubbish. What? No, I'll go.
Do you want to die?
I'll go.
Bastard.
What have I landed myself into? Hello? What? What happened? How? Why must the driver take that route? Why must he apply that route where he knows that the custom people used to lay ambush there? See, if they get to see what is in those containers, I will go to jail. Live jail for that matter. What? Oh, they've seen it. Oh. And how much? 3 million. 3 million naira.
Where is she? What are you still doing here? Why have you not left? Pack those things and get out of this palace.
Mom is okay. I'll take care of this.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will.
Do you want me to go?
I need your help. Some rifles were found in my container, and they are coming for me. So I need some money to settle the custom officer in charge.
You have not answered my question. Do you want me to go? Answer and be fast.
You're
about
not
it.
going anywhere. We need to settle them because I do not want to go to jail. This is the second time in 1 year I'm falling into their trap.
Oh, come off it. It's not a trap. You imported those rifles. Stop saying that they found it in your container.
You're right. I need 3 million naira to settle them.
I'll give you a check tomorrow.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Come on.
Maybe I should come on and arrange my food.
It's all right. Come on.
All right. Sweetheart.
green snake in the green grass. Have I not told you to leave this palace? What are you still waiting for?
You know, I hate it when people disturb my peace. And that's exactly what you're doing. I hate being shouted at.
I want you out of my husband's house. Out of this palace.
What is this place? My husband's kitchen? You know what? You should be the one to get out of this palace. Not to worry. As soon as my husband Uzo becomes the king of this kingdom, I'll personally throw you out.
I would have sent you to your poor mother's house then.
Balderdash.
What did you say?
You are talking balderdash.
Are you... I can see you're deaf. I have told you to leave this palace. Don't force me to get the guards to throw you out.
You did not bring me here, so you will not throw me out.
I think you want me to get the police involved. Then you will leave in pieces. Jane!
Yes, my babe.
Get my phone from my room.
You think I'm afraid of the police? Oh! She thinks I'm afraid of the police. I am a police officer myself. Don't even try me.
Hello, DPO. There's an intruder in my home. Please send your men. Thank you.
Oh, I'm shivering. I'm scared. I'm shaking. The police is coming. They're coming to arrest me. I'm going to die. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nonsense.
Yes, the police is here.
Thank you. Officers. Officers. She's the one. Arrest her.
Are you serious right now? You actually call these things to arrest me?
Madam, you're under arrest.
What rubbish are you talking about?
What is going on here?
Honey, thank God you're back. They are here to arrest me. They want to arrest me in my husband's house.
Why?
Ask your mother. She's here.
Mom, why do you want to arrest my wife? What has she done to you?
She does not belong here. Let her go back to her former lifestyle. I do not want anyone to bring filth into this royal house.
Blah, 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 blah.
Officers, please, do not mind my mother, okay? She's having dementia since my father's death, her husband, okay? And this woman here is my wife.
Oh yes, the queen.
And the queen of this kingdom.
Excuse me? I do not have dementia. Arrest this lady, take her away.
Oh, you see, that's how they behave. Please go before she bites someone. She can...
We are so sorry, Your Highness. Let's go.
Oh, thank you. Before she bites someone, just go.
Bye.
Good.
What is wrong with you? What did you just call me? Did you say I have dementia?
Oh, how was the day there?
I should be the one asking you the question.
Oh, that's true. Come on, let's go inside, okay? Have some fun. I've given them the check. They asked me to come back tomorrow for the goods. I just want to thank you. Thank you so much. I love you.
I love you too. Stop it, come on.
So, please get me some drinks, okay?
Okay. Anything for my baby?
Enjoy myself. Before she bites you.
Oh no, she can't bite me. No, she can't.
You have to go and talk to your father. You cannot run away from fixing what you have broken.
I cannot go to my father with an empty hand. I know my father. He will not forgive me except I show up with at least some of the money I took from him when
I think I know how to handle this. You will go on your knees while I do the talking.
I am scared. I am so scared. Reason is, I do not want to make things worse for him. I do not want his condition to deteriorate just by seeing me. I've done too much already. I do not want to cause him much more pain than he is right now.
Gino, no matter what, he's still your father. And I'm very sure he will forgive you. Don't you think? He will. Just let your apology be sincere from your heart. Okay? Gina, look at me. He will forgive you. Be positive. Positive. Good morning, Mom.
Mom, I'm greeting you.
Good morning, Mom. My name is Dozier. Gina has told me everything, and I'm here to help her beg her father.
Mom, where is that? I want to talk to him.
You want to talk to your father?
Yes, Mom. I want to ask him to forgive me.
Your father is inside. You can go and talk to him.
Thank you.
I have come to ask for your forgiveness. I know I've erred against you so many times. I've not been a good daughter to you. Find a place in your heart to forgive me, please. Daddy, please. I beg of you. Please.
Good morning, sir. My name is Dozie. Gina told me everything that happened. Sir, please, find it in your heart to forgive. Please. Remember to err is human, and to forgive is divine.
My wife, be strong. You are a good woman. He can rest now. Gina too can rest as well.
Even if it means putting my life on the line, just to show you how sorry I am, I will. I feel so ashamed of myself. Just give me one more chance to be that daughter you want me to be. Oh, please, sir. Daddy, please. Daddy, even if it means me being your maid in your house, I don't mind. Don't worry.
What is going on here?
He's telling me to talk to me, Uncle. I've come to ask for his forgiveness. He's telling my daddy to forgive me.
Gina,
Yes, Uncle.
when I called you to talk to you as a father, you did not listen.
Uncle, I am sorry. Please, just help me tell my daddy to forgive me.
It is a pity. Dead person has no second chance to give the living.
Uncle, you didn't mean that. But my daddy is not dead.
Go and get your men.
Uncle, you didn't mean what.
Go and get your men. Let us move this way.
Daddy. Daddy, talk to me. Daddy, talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me, Daddy. Ah!
See, listen to me. Daddy, talk to me! Talk to me now! Talk to me! No!
Get hold of yourself, please. Please. Pull yourself together, please.
What has my son done?
Listen, officers. You can't take him away just like that. Where is your arrest warrant, by the way?
You gave me a dot check. Believing you can fool me, right?
Dot check?
Dot check? Babe, what's that about check?
Well, I don't know what he's talking about.
Listen to me, young man. It's obvious you're a criminal.
He's a prince.
But I assure you, you will spend the rest of your life in jail.
Yes.
For lying.
My goodness.
My what?
Officer, please listen. We can settle this right here, right now. Okay? We can settle it.
There's nothing to settle. Take him away.
No, listen to me. Listen to me.
Yes, now we can settle this.
Go! No, officer! Officer, please.
Stop.
I mean, Queen, you don't... Officer! Officer! How dare you? How dare you do that to my son? Oh, stop right there. Don't even come close to me, else I'll beat out the queen in you. Look at this greedy woman. Wicked woman. You knew all along that your son was into importation of contrabands. You knew. Wicked, greedy woman. Shh. This girl is evil. My son. What do I do? Jen!
It was as if she was under his spell. She sold off all that her father had labored for 30 years without looking back.
It is sad that this happened. I will call the family and ask them if there is any way I could be of help.
Thank you very much. You are a nice man. God will bless you for what you have done today. Some people are scared of touching the corpse of their beloved ones. Yet, this is you, a total stranger, and you helped out. As a matter of fact, I was surprised, extremely surprised.
Sir, it could have been my father.
You are right.
I'll be on my way now. I have an appointment to catch up with around 4 o'clock.
Okay.
I'll come back again and see you, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, my dear.
It's a pleasure, sir.
Please, drive carefully, eh?
I will, sir.
Oh.
I will.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you.
What a man. What a man.
Take me to a very nice hotel. Quiet and calm in the outskirts of this town, okay?
Well, I know it's very good hotel, but it will cost you a lot of money because that place is very, very far.
Excuse me? Money is not my problem. Do I look like I can't pay? Take me there, please.
I didn't say we can't pay you, but I don't want in this situation where we get to your destination and to build a quarrel between us.
Mister, you talk too much. Money will never be my problem. Take me out of this place and stop talking. Where do I keep my box?
It's okay.
Take me out of here.
Madam, take it easy now.
Shut up and drive. Wait. Okay. Go. Where are you taking me to?
Madam, to the place now, to the place you told me about.
Hey, why is it taking too long? I don't like this.
Wait, where is even that place that you're going to?
Are you stupid? Are you high? How can you ask me where I'm going to? For crying out loud, I told you to take me to a quiet, calm hotel in the outskirts of town. And now you're asking me where I'm going.
Shut up now, make I drive this car in peace.
Don't you tell me to shut up. Don't even try it.
Why are you shouting on me?
Don't tell me to shut up because I'll get angry at you. I'll get angry. Don't tell me to shut up again. Don't say it again.
Come down from this car. I know they go again.
Why are you stopping? Move this carton.
Madam.
Move this thing out of here. Don't make me angry. Don't just...
Are you shouting at me?
No, sorry.
Are you shouting at me?
No, joke.
Come down from this car.
Sir?
Now joke at me.
I'm sorry, sir. I beg. Sir. Now joke at the joke, I beg. I don't mean I'm...
Madam,
I don't mean
I'm...
I don't mean I'm...
You the fellow shout. Yes, she's dead. She's dead.
Hello, barrister. My mom has just been arrested. I said my mom has just been arrested. Can you hear me? Hello, barrister. It's Annabelle. Can you hear me? What kind of network is this, please? What kind of network is this?
Annabelle, what's the problem?
Mom has just been arrested.
Arrested?
Yes.
What is the reason for her arrest?
She went to see Uzo at the police station and they arrested her too. Please, you have to do something.
And what do you want me to do? Please, Annabelle, I have my own problem to deal with. You guys can sort yourself out, okay? I am not interested.
Take care of yourself.
Listen, like I said, I am so sorry for your loss. Okay? Just find it in your heart to forgive and move on. I have already spoken to my boyfriend about you, and he promised to do something. Okay?
You know, the only thing I want now is to wake up from this dream. That's if it is. And somehow hope that I'll see my father alive. I mean, I just want to believe that he's not dead. I want to see him alive.
Gina, I know. Listen, I absolutely understand how you feel.
Oh. No, Onny. You don't. You don't even have a clue. Nobody does. No one understands how I feel. I feel terrible. I feel used. I mean, I've been a bad child to a good father. I am a child whose father did not forgive before he died. Tell me, what can be more terrible than that? I want to know. Say something.
I know. Believe me, I understand how you feel. Like I said, you just have to find a way to let go of all this. Okay? Let it off your head. You'll be fine.
My father gave me everything. He gave me his time, attention, care, love, money, everything. Let him get it. How did I pay him back? How?
Gina, darling, listen to me. Listen to me. I am sure your father, wherever he is, must have forgiven you. I know this. Sure? Yes. I know. Gina, please. Stop, please. Okay? Please. I beg you. Stop.
Okay, I'm fine.
Listen, you need to be fine and you need to be strong for yourself.
Okay, I will.
I'm very sorry. Okay? Oh? You promise to be fine.
I will. I'm sure.
I will come see you tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Remember, you promised to be fine.
I will.
You need to be strong.
Thank you.
Stop crying.
Yes, I'm not fine. My mom has been bleeding from her nose since she was released from the police cell. Yes, doctor, please. You have to do something. Are you coming over or what? I need to know. Princess, the queen is behaving like a mad woman. I'll call you. I'll call you back.
How are you?
I'm okay.
I want us to go and see your mother. It is time you do.
Dozie, truly I am so grateful for all you've been doing to put things right, but right now you're making me feel worse. Yes.
I don't understand.
How do you expect me to face my mother? You want me to look at my mom in the face with everything I've done to her? Listen, I have done so much to that woman. She's too innocent for all I've put her through. I cannot take my cursed self there to put her through more pain. No, I won't.
I told her you were coming to see her. And she was happy about it.
You did? And did you say she was happy?
Yeah. She'll be happy if you come back to her.
How?
She sounded so.
I didn't think that.
Gina.
Huh?
Come on, stop. Don't start.
My jewelries. My jewelries. Have they brought it back? Ah, that girl. That girl cannot play with my head at all. I will not allow her use my head to play football again. It's not possible. Take it easy. All my body is paining me. Take it easy. Don't you have human sympathy?
Sorry.
Ah. No, she cannot use my head again. No. She must return my jewelry. I need it. Easy.
Sorry, ma.
I need my jewelries. Everything. She can't use my head again. No. It's not possible. Did you bring my jewelry? Did you? Hi. You did not. Try. Inside where? No! I don't want to go anywhere. I'm a queen. I decide where I go. I'm not going anywhere. I need my jewelry. Leave me alone! Did you bring my jewelry? I need my jewelry. My jewelries. I need everything. No. Did you bring my jewelry? Hey, man! Sorry. Oh! Wait. Please, my body paining me. Did those policemen beat me? No, they cannot beat me now. You know I'm a queen. Wait, I will get up. On my own. As the queen of my great kingdom. Don't touch me. Why are you touching me? Did you bring my jewelry? You did not. Yes. What about you? Did you see it? Tell Betty that she cannot joke with me. Ah! Did those policemen? They did not. I thought as much. I don't believe it. They did not. When do I have to say it? Oh, I don't know.
Hello. You're welcome. Thank you. So, surprise!
You don't see it.
Oh, Tonya, this is so beautiful.
I have one more surprise for you. Not anywhere here. Don't stress yourself. I said close your eyes.
My eyes are closed.
Do not open them until I say so.
Okay.
Just like that.
Okay.
Closing your eyes. Hey, don't try me. Don't.
Okay.
Gina, don't try me. Don't try me.
It's okay.
Okay. So, turn around.
Which way? This way?
This way? Either way.
Okay.
Just turn this way. Turn around slowly. Don't open those eyes.
I'm not.
Aha. Gina, don't joke with me.
No, I'm
So,
not.
open them. Yeah.
Gina, will you marry?
Hey.
Will you?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Hey. Both of you can leave my house now. Leave me. Oh, congratulations. Congratulations.
Come on. I love you so much.
I love you too, darling.
You guys are in my room. You may take your leave right now. Aww.
Is this love or lust? Is this love or lust? Oh, I'm trying to figure out. Be careful. I told you, say you have that from daddy. This is not love, this is not love. This is not love, this is not love. Tell her, kulu 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 down, mama. Kulu down, the right for man will come someday, somewhere. Together you will live happily. Kulu 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 down, mama. Kulu down, the right for man will come someday, somewhere. Together you will live happily. I should have known he was not for real. I should have known he was not for real. What kind of family is this? After all the sacrifices I made, after all my sweat, after saving his life, Papa. To baby mama, but we mama be mama. used to baby back you. Mukwe mama bima. Papa, what they used to baby back you. Mukwe mama bima. Is this love or lust? Is this love or lust? Oh, I'm trying to figure out. Be careful. I told you, say you had that from daddy. This is not love, this is not love. This is not love, this is not love. Tell her, kulu 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 damu mama. The right for man wake up someday, somewhere. Together you will live happily. Kulu 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 damu mama. The right for